Hey everyone, today we're going to make buttermilk pancakes. What we have is 1 1/4 cup buttermilk. Regular milk will not work. Pure buttermilk is the best. If you don't happen to have it, you can use, the ratio is you're going to want to put in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to 1 cup of milk, so you'll just add in a teeny bit of extra lemon juice and then let it sit for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And that can be a substitute, although it's not ideal. Then we've got 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, then we've got 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and then you're just going to need a large skillet. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to take our flour, then we're going to add in our baking soda, our baking powder, and our salt, and then just make sure that you combine this all really well. The next thing we're going to do in a separate bowl is we're just going to take our buttermilk, our egg, and then our vanilla, and then you just want to mix this all up. The next thing we're going to do is we're just going to add our flour mixture into our egg and milk mixture, and then just mix this all together. Now that that's all mixed together, we're just going to add in our sugar and our melted butter, and then just mix this together, and you want to make sure that you beat it really well. Alright, you're going to want your skillet on about medium heat. Sometimes I know you've got to fluctuate it a little bit. Then I've got a 1/3 cup measure. And all you want to do is just pour that into your skillet. You do want to make sure that you've heated the skillet up a bit before you put your pancakes in. And then you just want to make sure that you cook them for a couple minutes on each side. You'll notice that the bubbles will begin to pop and the sides will kind of look like they're starting to harden. Alright, as you can see, the edges are starting to look like they're getting a little bit hard, and most of the air bubbles have popped, so all you're going to do is just flip those over. And you can see they're a nice golden brown color, and then you're just going to cook them for about the same amount of time on the other side. Alright, your batch of buttermilk pancakes should make between 8 to 10 pancakes depending on your size, so hope you enjoy.